Hi everyone, did you like that song? I hope you did. Yes, I love to play piano, but today I will actually show you my office, mi oficina. Te mostraré mi oficina. I tried to do some vlogging a few days ago. I have been really busy, so I didn't get a chance to do that. But today it's gonna happen. Today I will show you my little office. It's not a big office at all. It's really tiny. It's just the tiniest office ever. But here is where I make all the videos that I upload for you guys, and I hope you like this tour. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here it is. Aquí está mi oficina. Esta es mi oficina. Well, actually, I have more things here. I have a printer. Mi impresora, you can see my sock showing, the reflection of my sock. Mi calcetín se ve. So yeah, that's just a printer. I love this. I love playing guitar too. This is my husband's bass. He plays the bass. Él toca el bajo. Mi marido toca el bajo. This beauty. Here you can see, guess what it is. Adivina qué es esto. Esto es, okay, I managed to unzip the case, and this is my ukulele. My little ukulele. Ukulele. I really love this little fella. I know that some people find ukuleles kind of annoying, but I actually like it. I really like it. So I play the uke, toco el ukulele, and this here is one of my electric guitars, guitarra eléctrica. Guitarra eléctrica. It's just such a beauty. It's a little dusty. Sorry about that, guys. I need to dust the office. So yeah, this is mi guitarra eléctrica. This actually was my first electric guitar. Like, I have only two, but this was, I have like 3 guitars, but this was my first one. I love the color. El color rojo está muy bonito. I really like it. It's an old guitar. Now, this one here is my acoustic guitar. Mi guitarra acústica. Guitarra acústica. And I really love the colors and all. This was actually my second guitar. It's a little beat up. But yeah, this is my second guitar, my acoustic guitar. Yeah, so then now over here, sorry about the mess. It's not like the most organized office or anything like that. Here, guys, is my workstation, mi escritorio. Mi escritorio. It's super dusty. Mi escritorio, and I always drink coffee. It's almost empty. Mi taza de café. I always drink coffee. Siempre tomo café, and always like water. I always drink water as well. Agua. Mi vaso con agua. Some people say that you should say vaso con agua because it's a glass with water in it, instead of saying vaso de agua. Because when you say vaso de agua, is more like, that sounds more like the glass or the cup or whatever container you're drinking water from is made out of water. So yeah, honestly, I really don't care. Sometimes I say vaso con agua, or sometimes I say vaso de agua. So it really doesn't matter. Okay, so my ratón, el ratón, mouse, my mouse, the mouse, el ratón, and keyboard is this is teclado, and of course my iMac, my computer. It's a pretty old iMac. Mi computadora es muy vieja. Es muy vieja. I don't remember when I bought it, but it was like a long time ago. I also have another computer here. This is a PC Tower. I really like it. This is actually the computer that I use to edit videos and pretty much all my work I do here. And I use my iMac just to play videos pretty much. Yeah, so this is a PC computer. Mi computadora es una PC. Una computadora PC and una computadora Apple computer, una computadora iMac. Yeah, so I use both, but mostly this one, and I love it. It's a really good computer. My husband built it for me, so thank you, honey. Okay. This keyboard is really fancy. Este teclado es muy lujoso, muy bonito. Tiene luces. Las teclas tienen diferentes colores. So that's pretty cool. Mi ratón. I also have some microphone. This is very useful because I have another channel where I talk about different food and it's a science channel about food pretty much. And I also use it to live stream when I play video games. So I'm gonna leave the links to my other channels down below if you're interested, if you wanna see me doing all their things. And if you subscribe to those channels, that will be, I will appreciate that, guys, if you subscribe to my other channels. So yeah, this is my monitor. Yep, it's a pretty nice one. Mi cámara, otra cámara for live streaming. And just a light. Una luz para que me alumbre la cara. Okay, so that's it. That's what I have on this desk. And over here, you can see I have another guitar. This is like the best guitar ever. This was a birthday present from my husband. So yeah, this is a beauty. I really love it. My latest guitar. Esta es mi última guitarra que me han regalado. Mi esposo me la regaló. So that's a beauty. I love it. Yep, I have other things here. This is actually the camera I use to record videos. It's a good camera, not the greatest, but I really like it. It's good. Esta cámara la uso para grabar videos. Para grabar todos mis videos casi. I'm actually using my phone to vlog. But yeah, this is the main camera I use, guys. I also have... También tengo libros. libros. Those are mine and my husband's. And also we have other little things here. We have action figures here. This one is pretty cute. I love it. So yeah, we have different things here. Libros. Also, we have, también tengo CDs. Most of these ones are my husband's, and just DVDs, DVDs de diferentes películas como Bill and Ted. This is a pretty good movie. Yes, so I have other things like mis CDs aquí. También tenemos diferentes CDs or CDs. You can see my taste in music and my husband's as well. We like pretty much the same music. So that's pretty good. Okay, so that was one bookshelf. Un librero. Este fue un librero. It's a little messy. I'm sorry about that again. And we have my amp. Este es mi ampli. It's really good too. Aquí tengo mi piano. Mi piano es más bien un teclado. Un teclado. And I have different things here that I'm learning how to play. Yes, how deep is your love as well? I can't help falling in love. Yesterday, yeah, so I have different things that I collect from the internet. Actually, I got all of this from the internet. Sí, disfruto mucho tocar el piano. Me gusta demasiado. Okay, here is another bookshelf. Otro librero. This is another amp. This is my husband's guitar. Esta guitarra también está bellísima. Es muy bonita. I gave my husband this guitar actually for his birthday. Yeah. So that's what we do in the family. Aquí está otro librero. Está lleno de libros, figuras de acción. We like Dragon Ball Z. Yep, figuras de acción. This was my in-laws present. I don't know why I have this here. I was just trying to do something here. So yeah, more books, más libros y videojuegos. Videojuegos, son diferentes videojuegos y más DVDs. Okay, moving on. This is my husband's desk. He is a gamer too. So it's pretty much just another PC tower. And yeah, that's pretty much it. He has a little bit of a mess here as well. So yeah, guys, this was my office. What do you think? So yeah, guys, that's my office. What do you think about it? We have just a small office. Mi oficina es muy pequeña. Muy pequeña. Me gustaría tener una oficina más grande y crecer. Me gustaría tener mi oficina fuera de mi casa, en otro lugar, pero por ahorita esto es lo que hay. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about my office. I know it's a little messy, it's really small, but just let me know. I hope you learned some vocabulary. Also, leave me any comments about what you would like to see in the future. What would you like me to show you or what would you like me to vlog about? That will be pretty great. Don't forget to visit my other YouTube channels. I would appreciate if you can subscribe to those channels as well. That would be awesome. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you once again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!